How to create Botim app account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Google Play Store application on a device over here, and make sure you are logged into your account. Search for Botim application over here on the search bar, and as you search for Botim application, you can simply see as you can on the screen that I've already downloaded the application. So you can simply tap on open and it will land us to the main page of the Botim application on our device. So as we tap on the Botim application, what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device and then tap on the get started option at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on get started, simply you have to mention your phone number, and as you do that, you can tap on next and verify yourself, and this will help you create a Botim app account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.